So in this video, we're going to be talking about why sometimes it's not the best thing to do what you love, like everyone says. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about why sometimes it's not the best thing to always do what you love like everyone claims. So everyone's always saying to do what you love as far as for your career or in order to make money, but that's not always the case, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why. Alright, and I know this is a pretty sensitive topic, so I don't want this to come off in the wrong way. What I mean by not necessarily just focusing on doing what you love, what I mean by that is, for example, because there's a lot of things that you can love, like eating sweets, not having to exercise, partying all the time, just sitting around doing nothing. You know, there's certain things that you may love because they just make you feel really comfortable, but those are the things that are not going to necessarily going to get you the best results in life. In life, you have to do what is hard in order to later on have it easier. So how things work, or at least how they've worked for me, is that at first, you're not going to love or enjoy what you're doing as much to make money. This is something that comes down the road after putting in hours and a lot of hard work and building whatever it is that you're building to a certain point to where you can actually start loving it more and enjoying it more. But at first, you're not going to enjoy it or love it as much because it's going to take more hard work, it's going to take time to build it up, and it's going to take more effort, which is going to drain a lot of your energy. There's going to be a lot of headaches and a lot of problems that are going to need to be solved in order for you to keep advancing and get to that next level. So it does take time for you to actually get to the point where you start loving it or enjoying it more. Yes, there are certain things that you can enjoy the process even from the beginning of whatever you're doing, but the process at the beginning is usually going to be a lot harder than later on down the road. Once you have put in enough hours and effort to make things work, it's where it will become more enjoyable. So that's why I titled this video the way I did. Don't do what you love, or rather what I mean by that is that at first you might not completely love what you're doing. This is something that over time you will be able to build up to a certain way, will enjoy the process and love it more. I'm going to give you a quick example so that I can put everything into better perspective for you. So for example, my YouTube channel, I started it many years ago. A lot of the videos that I did at first were videos that I was putting out to give value to other people, but they weren't particularly videos that I personally enjoyed making. And I'm sure this happens to a lot of other people as well. This is very normal. But the thing is that I stayed consistent because I saw that it was giving value to everyone else. So I kept going at it and putting in work and effort and growing the channel. Where now I can enjoy it and love it more. I can now create videos on whatever topics that I love and that I choose to create videos for. So after many years of hard work and putting in the effort, I am now at the point I can make other type of videos that I am more passionate about. But like I said, at first, it did take a lot of hard work and effort, and I really didn't love and enjoy the process that much, but I knew it was what I had to do in order to get to this point. So this is just a very good example of what I mean, that you're not gonna completely love the process at first, but as long as you have that drive and goal in mind, it will give you enough motivation to keep on going. The main thing you need to have is a clear vision on your long-term goals. And for YouTube and making money online, those were my long-term goals. So that's why I just kept going at it day by day, little by little, because I knew that at the end, this type of business was going to be a passive income business that would just keep growing like a snowball effect and generate me income on a monthly basis passively, which is the end goal that I wanted to get out of the YouTube channel and making money online as a whole. So to wrap this all up, the main point of this video that I want to get through to you, maybe at first you're not going to completely love sometimes what you're doing. Obviously, it is good to find a industry or a type of work that you love and enjoy doing so that you can enjoy the process a lot more. But at first, you might not love it as much, and that's completely normal. The important thing is to have that clear end goal in mind, and that's what's going to give you the motivation to keep on going and put in consistent work, which is what's going to make you grow to a certain point. And then later on down the road, you'll get to the point where everything will just be more enjoyable and you will love it more. Once you grow it to a level where eventually everything's going to just be rolling a lot smoother and you're going to enjoy the process and love what you're doing a lot more. Another thing to keep in mind is that the more work and the better you get at what you're doing, the more you're going to enjoy it, because it's just human nature in us that we want to be good at what we're doing. So the better you get at whatever it is that you're doing, the more you're going to enjoy and love the process. All right, everyone, that is it for this video. This video was a little bit different, just kind of like mindset, motivational talk. Let me know in the comments down below if you want more videos like these. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a like. And that is it for this one. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And as always, peace. You'll be making money every month and you won't have to worry about all your bills.